How to use voice chat in Globe in your Geometry Dash. So put in mind that you can only use voice chat in specific platforms, including PC. If you're trying this in your Android, then unfortunately, voice chat is not available for Globe. But if you want to know how, in available platforms, you're gonna go ahead and make sure you have it installed. Of course, you have Globe, everything, restart. We're gonna go ahead and basically do the process again. Go ahead to the geode mod, go ahead to featured and find Globe. It should be the first one. If you can't find it, go ahead and just search for it, I suppose, and you're gonna have to restart once you install. So make sure your microphone is already working pretty fine. You can test it on a different software to see if you have a microphone, or you can just test it in your audio inside your settings. But once you're sure your mic works, you can go ahead inside Globe and make sure you have Discord linking on. So go ahead and press on link over here and link yourself into Discord, since this is one of the only ways you can use voice chat. So this unlocks some benefits such as the ability to use voice chat. And go ahead into your settings, go ahead into voice, make sure your voice chat is toggled on, your audio device, everything else. So you can set it up over here in the voice section inside settings. But once you're linked into Discord and everything else, you can go ahead and join any room. So let's say this room. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and toggle in the loopback so we can hear ourselves as well, just to be sure. And we're gonna go ahead and join a room and join Renovar GD's room. And just go ahead and play. So if it works, we should be able to hear ourselves, which we are not for some reason. What have I done? Okay, so it's not automatic. You have to tap the microphone, and it's going to be the V button. There's too many screaming here. We can go ahead into our settings because we can't hear anything. So the keybinds, go ahead into your keybinds and find whatever activates the voice chat, and voice chat activate is going to be the V button. But that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to use voice chat in Globe. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.